So we've entered, which is known as School Wood. Now the pathway past the school takes you around back towards where our track bed would have continued from Thornton Railway Station. So you can just see over there where I've shown you the old site, and I believe now we're coming back towards our track bed. This would have been where the train line would have carried on. So where the station platform would have been, you've got here the track bed. Now it looks like this would have been the track bed, but I don't think it was. I think it was more to the right here. So let's just take a little look down here and see what we've come across. Looks like we've got here some railway memorabilia. I'm not exactly sure what that is. If you do know, please leave a comment in the box. So it looks like we're back on the track bed. This is where the railway would have been, coming out from here. So if we head down here now, we're going to come across a bridge. Now, if you take a look down there, you think that this was potentially the railway line, but it wasn't. It looked like a cutting. You see a nice little drainage pipe down there, which doesn't look like it's working. So let's continue along. This would have been the track bed. And here looks to be the base, or potentially like a signal post. You could tell that was definitely railway related. Now we've just come here to a bridge, and it looks really derelict. Now, I'm not sure, but it does look like there was potentially two. Because if you have a look here, you can see the remains of some metal. It looks like another bridge must have crossed over here. This looks like some kind of farmer's access coming underneath the bridge. But please leave a comment in the box if you do know if this was a second bridge, because on the maps it doesn't look like that there was a second bridge. Just decided to take a little venture off the track bed down this public, I think it's public footpath, yeah. You can see how derelict this wall is. Sorry. Got a lot of loose stone. It looks like this, sorry, red brick, my bad. This is the bridge that I was talking about, and like I say, I'm not exactly sure what this was. Was it another bridge? Just taking a look at the condition of the bridge from the other side. A few loose stones right here. Got a loose stone just in the corner. Nice real stonework. This is the stream just off the track bed. So we're heading back onto the track bed. So just to the right of me here, all these houses used to be the site of the Thornton Colliery. Now I'm unsure of the dates of operation of the colliery, but this was the apparent site of the colliery. So what we're going to do now is going to take you further along the line. So this would have been track bed here, and I'm going to take you towards one of the first tunnels that were on this line. So first of many tunnels that were on this line towards Keighley. Now if you've watched my channel, I've previously done videos specifically on the tunnels of Hammershill, Doe Park, Car Tunnel. So we're going to take our next venture towards the first tunnel, which is Wellheads Tunnel. Just here, I'll spin the camera. This was the track bed, which you can see has been clearly gated off. So the track bed would have carried on through a cutting, leading down towards a bridge that would have then taken you through towards the Wellheads Tunnel. It's a nice little stream here, running down the side of the old track bed. Now, that gate stops you from getting onto the track bed, and it does look unwalkable, but it leads all the way down past these houses down towards that bridge that I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do now is head back up onto Thornton Road and find that portal. So I'm currently back onto Thornton Road. Like I said, I cannot access any more track bed towards the Wellheads Tunnel portal, so I'm having to follow the road round so I can get to the next part, which isn't too far away. So I've just come along further along Thornton Road. Track bed carried on in this what looks like a really deep cutting, literally just overgrown. Nature's retaken, lots of tree fall, and here you can see there's a bridge, and the bridge has been filled in, as you can clearly see, leading towards that first tunnel on the line, which is Wellheads Tunnel. If I take a little cross over the road, let's see if we can head this way. So I'm currently in a deep cutting that would take me to the south portal of the Wellheads Tunnel. Now this was the first of many tunnels that were on this line. Obviously it's quite a long one, and the door, it looks like it's closed, so I don't think I'll be going in this one, but I'll just take you down just to have a little look at the portal, the tunnel. I wonder if this is some kind of workers' hut. It doesn't actually say anything on the maps, but you can clearly tell it's made out of like red brick. You can just see here. It wasn't part of any kind of signal box or anything like that. Please let me know if you know what this is. Leave a comment in the box. Got a lot of remains of old railway sleepers, just all embedded into the track bed. That's where the bridge was filled in, and it was literally a quagmire getting through here. But this is the track bed going down towards the tunnel portal. So this is one of many tunnels that were on these Great Northern Queensbury lines. You can clearly see that other explorers have been down here to come and venture. There's a lot of footprints, but I doubt very much we will be going in this tunnel. But it's worth taking a look at the portal Now, like all the GN tunnels on the line, pretty much got the same stonework, the stone arches, these Great Northern Railway designs. Looks like over there you got a little bit of brick repair work. You've got an bat access or some sort of ventilation, and the doors are clearly bolted shut. So apparently construction difficulties brought a delay into this section of the line, originally opening from Queensbury until September 1882. Eventually these tunnels were added in, but didn't appear till 1884. Now this one is a length of 662 yards, and at the other side it's filled in. The northern end marks the highest point at 887 feet above sea level. So you can see these stone buttresses on either side, and these vertical masonry walls. Like I said, there are no ventilation shafts. And eventually the closure of this section up towards Cullingworth came on the 11th of November 1963. Now this section is apparently at the hands of British Rail, and apparently it has been hoped that this section of the line will eventually be extended as the Great Northern Railway from Queensbury to where you saw me go earlier, can be extended right through this tunnel towards Hammershill Tunnel and the Denholme station with the door park tunnels. And if you haven't seen those videos, please give them a check. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this documentary on the Great Northern Railway between Queensbury to Keighley, between the Queensbury station to this Wellheads Tunnel South Portal. Be sure to check out the other videos that I've done on this line that are further up. So check out the Hammershill Tunnel, which is on the other side of the portal, just a little bit further on. The Denholme station, the door park tunnels, the Hewenden viaduct, and also the Keighley Goods Tunnel, which was at almost at the terminus of the line. So take care, guys. Please like and subscribe, comment in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.